Hello, friends. Welcome back to Pocket Power. Have you ever felt that your wallet is always empty, but your expenses are never ending? Well, today let's decode the truth behind credit cards, why you need one, and how to use it smartly. Credit cards can be your best financial tool or your worst nightmare, depending on how you use it. So let's decode the truth behind credit cards with you together. Why do we need a credit card? If used smartly, one, it helps you build your credit score. Your credit score is like your financial report card. A good score means a bank trusts you, making it easier for you to get home loans, car loans, and even better credit cards. Number two is earn rewards and cash back. Imagine getting money back every time you spend. Sounds cool, right? Third is an emergency fund, your instant backup plan. In case you happen to get some unexpected expenses or medical emergencies, a credit card can be your lifesaver. And number four is interest-free purchases. Most credit cards offer 30 to 45-day interest-free credit, meaning you get extra time to pay without extra charges. But here's the catch, and let's brings us to the biggest mistakes to avoid. Credit card mistakes that can wreck your finances. Let's start with number one, paying only the minimum due. This is a classic bank trap. You see, pay minimum due 500 and you think it's great, but behind the scenes, your remaining balance is silently accumulating 30 to 40% interest per year. So, in order to fix it, always pay your full credit card bill before the due date. Otherwise, welcome to the never ending debt cycle. Mistake number two, ignoring your reward points. Did you ever know that every time you swipe, you earn reward points? And did you know that most of us forget to redeem them? Well, how you can fix it? Choose a card that matches your lifestyle. I mean, if you're using more fuel, traveling more, dining more often, use the cards offered by banks specifically targeted to these so that you can make the most of your expenses. And of course, set reminders to use those points before they expire. Applying for too many credit cards. If you think having 10 credit cards makes you rich, think again. Every time you apply for a new card, your credit score takes a hit. So, in order to fix this problem, it's better to stick to max 2 to 3 cards that give you maximum benefits. Instead of multiple new cards, request a limit increase on your existing ones once you've established your spending pattern and repayment track record. Mistake number four generally is using too much limit of your credit card. Imagine your credit card is like your plate at a buffet. If you overload it, you're going to have definitely a bad time. So how can you fix it? Keep your credit utilization below 30 to 35% of your overall limit. For example, if the limit of your credit card is 1 lakh, never use more than 30,000. The last common mistake is ignoring your hidden fees. Did you know that some of the premium credit cards charge you up to 20,000 rupees in annual fees? And of course, some also come with zero interest EMI offers. Yeah, you need to remember that they all come with some or the other hidden processing charges. How you can fix it? Always check, read the fine print for hidden charges or your minimum expense criteria before you sign up for credit card. So what really is the smart credit card strategy? Choose the right credit card based on your daily use and reward utilization. Keep utilization low, about 30-35%. Pay full bill every month on time. Use your reward smartly. Track your spending. Please don't spend mindlessly because you are having a few credit cards. So credit cards, are they a friend or a foe? The truth really depends on how you use it. Okay, so treat your credit card always like a debit card. Spend only what you can afford to pay in full the coming month. Thank you, friends, for watching Pocket Power, because smart money is equal to financial freedom.